What would your company do with an extra $90,000 a year? Well, an Illinois printing company is saving over $90,000 a year on operating costs. Packaging company over $40,000 a year, and a plastics manufacturing company are saving $175,000 in electricity costs. How? They all went solar. With this unique proprietary program, instead of taking out a massive loan or millions in capital expenditure to justify a solar array where you won't see positive cash flow till year 10, with this program, you can take that tax liability that would otherwise go to the IRS and put that toward a solar array. These are payments that pay for the solar array up front. So you're cash flow positive by month one as soon as the system's operational. Because of incentives, 30% federal tax credit, you can have a ton of money readily available to pay for the solar array. It's segmented in a way so you're cash flow positive. It eliminates the risk of having to wait for an ROI. So CFOs, when they see this type of proposal, they love it and they're able to sign off on getting a solar system. Not everyone qualifies for this program, and that's okay, but you really have to have the tax liability. So if your company has decent tax liability, you have high operating costs, and you really want to see a proposal to compare with our competitors, fill out our form on comsolar.org and we'll get back to you with a proposal.